so desperate on my knees to break. And I hear the voice of an angel telling me not to leave.
Alright, yeah man, so this morning I do a little small tutorial video. Man, I put on one flap up on this spear. So I'm gonna make you guys see how to do it. Yeah man, how to make whenever time it flap and open, you have to close it down, so whenever time the fish them turn to the water top, you know, really close back so the fish they can be able to get to it. Right, so stay tuned. Alright, yeah man, so first open it and get them out of the bag. First we want to make sure say it set the way how I want it, you know. So me normally keep my flap up on top of the spear. You want me to keep it underneath. So first we just get the pin. I'm gonna send it through. So here I have my hammer. I just beat it now as it come right through the spear like that. Alright, so this is it now. So it's not able to stay up as yet. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to brad the end of the pin of the gill now. So just stay tuned for that one there now. Alright, yeah man, so right now I'm going to brad the end of the pin now. So beating it like that till it kind of open. So it don't really set as yet, you know, but me just get the pin to open out as it stay inside. Alright, so there it is, not really ready as yet. So what I'm gonna do, give it a night a little tap now. Tap the end a little bit. Right, you want bounce a little. You don't want to do it too much as whenever time if you open it, it can't open, you know. So you have to make sure you just give it small tap. Yeah man. Just make sure you give it some small tap. Okay man, so that's it. Alright. So I'm gonna go tap the edge of the flapper now. I'm sure where I'm talking. These edges, man, them here where I go give a little small tap now for kind of close on the spear whenever time open. Through the iron kind of little bit, you know, really give me the much pressure there I want on it. Alright, so see it will get stiff up now where you have to close it back. But you want whenever time you knock the spear like this, it flip up, so you have to kind of like twist it a bit back now if you just give it the equal flap up there now. Alright, yeah man, so basically this is now, this is what I'm talking about. You basically get it just flip up like that, but normally up there so it go. So realize, look at this. So you have to put pressure upon it if you close it and it fly. So whenever time you know, when the fish comes, so now it open up. So you have a lot of pressure upon it because it now go really close back. You see me? So basically that is how it is done. Alright guys, so I'm going to head out on the beach and I'm going to test it, you know, so y'all stay tuned and see you on the beach. Alright, yeah man, good morning again guys. Yeah man, so right now you're out on the beach. I'm going to test out the flap up on the grip on the spear now. Yeah man, so I'm going to make you guys see exactly how it works, you know. Yeah man, I'm going to hope me catch a fish so I can actually show you guys how it actually works. But the water are clean and everything today, so hopefully me catch something. Yeah man, so I wait for my friend now for forward so can head out into the water. dive down offer. So right now I'm gonna pull the shot. And I see him reeling up and down, guys. And so right now the kill is open. So exactly what I'm talking about. So actually find a fish so we can actually let you guys see what I'm really talking about.
Red tail.
Yeah guys, man, thanks for watching. Man, comment, let me know if this was helpful for you. And so until then guys, man, peace out.